Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you the best and fastest ways to lose cops in GTA 5 online, whether you're at 1 star or have a full 5-star wanted level. Let's jump right in. Method 1. Use alleys and parking garages. The quickest trick? Head into small alleys or underground parking garages. Drive carefully and hide until the cops lose your location. Watch the mini-map, stay out of their sight, and wait for the stars to flash. Method 2. Switch vehicles. Got spotted? Try switching cars in a garage or covered spot. Cops search for your current vehicle, so changing cars can confuse them. Method 3. Go off the radar. Lester trick. Call Lester and select Remove Wanted Level, perfect for quick escapes. You need to unlock this feature by progressing in-game, so check your level first. And that's it. These are the easiest and most effective ways to lose the cops in GTA 5 online. If this helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more GTA tips. See you in the next one. Happy gaming.